We've done quite a few projects with Anderson Hallis, and really quite a few on the historic preservation side. One of them was the Breckenridge Grand Vacation Community Center. We had been working with Anderson Hallis for a number of years, so it wasn't that much of a stretch to get involved on the project. However, it was a unique project.
The Harris Street Community Center was an historic schoolhouse, so 100 years old schoolhouse that had many iterations in its life. When we came in, we were tasked with creating a community library, nonprofit offices, community spaces, a coffee shop, as well as a first-run movie theater. Now, not many people want a library right next to their movie theater, but we were up for the challenge, and Denise was as well.
I remember sitting down in the architect's office one day, and they said, well, we're putting a theater in the bottom of this building. And I said, no, you're not. Mechanically, we need a lot of outside air for ventilation rates. There's some large ductwork. We don't have a lot of floor-to-ceiling space. What are we going to do? And they said, put the ductwork underground. Okay, I guess we can do that. We'll dig out the pool and we'll put the ductwork underground. And off we were.
So because the library was directly over the movie theater, it was really important to minimize the penetrations between the two spaces, but yet look at the ductwork and try to mitigate any of the acoustics within the ductwork in both spaces.
Our biggest challenge was the mechanical room was right next door to the theater. How the heck am I going to keep the mechanical system quiet? Well, we've got movies going on next door. So we had to work very diligently with an acoustical engineer to come up with a method to try to get that noise level down over in the mechanical room, yet be able to provide the cooling and the heating and the ventilation we needed into the theater area.
So the project completed several years ago. We're still getting kudos from the community. They love the building, and both the theater and the library are just really very popular within the community and with the tourists.